Hello there, and welcome back to this Java development course. Okay, so today we're going to be going over working with variables, and we're actually going to be going over some very basic mathematical operations as well. So let's go ahead and create a new lesson, new class, and we're actually not going to call it lesson 2, since this is lesson 3. We're actually not going to call it lesson at all. We're actually going to be calling this working with variables. This way, later on, when you're actually going to be returning to your Java, course codes that you've written, instead of trying to find something to understand what you actually did, you're just going to be able to look at the names, and then based on the names, you're going to be able to understand exactly what it is. I mean, technically, you could do whatever you want. You can name it whatever you want, but it's just recommended that you do it this way so that later on you don't get confused. So let's go ahead and create the main method. Again, don't pay attention to any of this. This will all become more evident as we move on. So let's go ahead and click this public static void main here, and let's finish. All right, there we go. Let's also go ahead and rename this lesson 1 as well. So we're actually going to go ahead and do refactor rename, and let's call it hello world. There we go. All right, let's just finish, and then there we go. Okay, so now I just renamed it to Hello World. Okay, so let's go ahead and start working with variables. Again, we're going to be working in our main method. So how can we create a variable? So in the last lesson, we actually took a look at how Java works and actually gave you a very basic example of how we can create variables in high-level programming languages.